Did you know that nearly 1 in 5 people who suffer from migraines report that certain foods can trigger their pain? Yup, it's true. Food can seriously impact how we feel, which is why today we're diving into a delicious dessert that might just be a game changer for migraine sufferers like you and me. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a sweet treat that won't mess with your head, you're in the right place. Today we're making a low glucose index tiramisu. Yep, you heard that right. This version is perfect for those of us who need to keep an eye on our sugar intake, especially if migraines are part of our lives. So grab your apron and let's get started. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Traditional desserts are often loaded with sugar, and for migraine sufferers, that can be a huge problem. You know how it is. One slice of that classic tiramisu, and you might just trigger a headache that lasts for hours. It's not just the sugar though. It's also the way our bodies react to those sudden spikes and drops in glucose levels. It can leave you feeling drained and honestly, pretty miserable. That's why we need to find alternatives that are not only tasty, but also brain-friendly. All right, let's dive into the good stuff. Ingredients and steps to whip up our low glucose index tiramisu. For this recipe, you'll need some almond flour instead of regular flour, which is lower on the glycemic index. We'll also use a sugar substitute like erythritol or stevia, which keeps the sweetness without all the sugar spikes. Don't forget the espresso. It gives that classic tiramisu flavor, and caffeine can actually help some migraine sufferers. For the creamy layer, we'll mix mascarpone cheese with a bit of heavy cream and our sugar substitute. It's going to be rich and decadent, just like the original. And let's not forget the cocoa powder on top for that finishing touch. Trust me, this dessert is going to be a showstopper and your taste buds will thank you. And here we have it, our low glucose index tiramisu. Just look at that beautiful layering. The texture is so creamy and the aroma is heavenly. I can't wait to dig in. Oh wow, this is incredible. It's sweet but not overly so, and that coffee flavor just comes through perfectly. Honestly, I think this is going to be a staple in my kitchen. If you're skeptical about trying a healthier version of a classic dessert, trust me, this will change your mind. So, to wrap it all up, this low glucose index tiramisu isn't just a dessert. It's a potential game changer for migraine management. It allows us to indulge without the guilt or the headache aftermath. Remember, keeping our glucose levels steady can make a world of difference in how we feel, and treats like this can help us enjoy sweet moments without the pain. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite migraine-friendly recipes? Drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more brain-friendly cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking and stay headache-free.